Okay, so today is the second episode of Jamie's Ramble, and today's 4th of July. Woohoo, 4th of July. Um, I work in law enforcement, so it's going to be a very busy night tonight, and I do have to work tonight. Um, right now it's not that late, it's only like 8 o'clock, but I can already hear fireworks going off, so I'm kind of stoked about tonight because maybe I might get to go hands on with somebody. Woo, stress relief, yeah. But anyways, I actually got on and saw that a couple people actually viewed my last video, and I was kind of like, oh wow, people actually watch that crap. Man, some of you guys are pretty crazy because this is garbage. I'm just sitting here talking. But anyways, yeah. So last night, wound up staying up all night playing Black Ops, and I wound up running into a couple of people that were pretty great. Um, I was horrible. I got drunk and was horrible at the game. Absolutely atrocious. I wound up just kind of like jumping around doing stupid stuff and letting people kill the shit out of me because I just didn't care so much. You know, you get drinking, you just don't care so much. But I actually want to talk about how I got drunk last night. Um, my brother had this bright idea to take vodka and pour it into a cup full of gummy bears and just let it sit for a while. Holy shit. You should try it. It's pretty great. I got pretty fucking drunk. I was walking around with my head up my ass, I swear to God. It's pretty great. But yeah, drunk Black Ops is awesome because like you hit that tipsy line, right? And you get better. You actually get better at the game. And I thought that was so cool because all of a sudden I'm doing awesome. I'm getting like freaking 20, 30 kills, right? And then you start getting drunk, and then it goes downhill very, very fast. Because you go from like, in the 20, 30 range to, 10. Next game, like 2 kills. And everybody's just like mopping the floor with your face. And it's just like, yep, you fail at life right now. But everyone was a really good sport about it. There wasn't anybody that was like really grumpy or anything. I was kind of hoping for grumpy people because I was drunk and I was in the mood to like just what a blah 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 blah, just kind of go at it and annoy the shit out of people. I thought it would have been pretty good. So yeah, this is the second ramble. I think I'm gonna call it Gummy Bear Ramble because of the vodka gummy bears. But you guys should really try that because it was pretty fucking good. I thought it was anyway. Alright, comment, subscribe, do whatever. Let me know if I should keep making these videos or not. Yeah, I'm running out of time again. So, adios, people.